In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your HTML website on Hostinger with a quick and easy tutorial. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to the Hostinger website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your account using the details you registered with. Once you're in, look towards the main navigation area and click on Websites. This section is your gateway to managing all aspects of your hosted website. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to an interface displaying all your websites. Here, you should select the website you are looking to upload your HTML files to and click on Dashboard. The dashboard serves as the control center for your site, offering you access to various tools and settings. Now, if you don't see an option labeled File Manager, don't worry. Head over to the Check Roadmap section. This function is designed to help users locate various options and settings that might not be immediately visible. In the search bar that appears, simply type in File. After typing File, you'll want to click on Web Hosting. Doing this will lead you to more specific settings related to file management. From there, opt to click on How to Use File Manager. This helpful section will provide guidance tailored to your needs, especially aimed at those less familiar with file handling on Hostinger. Once you've got a grasp of what you need, it's time to access Hostinger's File Manager. Do note that File Manager is available to all Hostinger users except for those using the Hostinger Website Builder and Hostinger Horizons plans. To access it, return to your Hostinger account's main dashboard and choose your hosting plan. Click on Manage, then navigate to File Manager found in the Site Management menu. File Manager itself is a versatile tool that allows for navigation, management, and editing of your files and folders. Let's get you familiar with its layout. At the interface's sidebar, you'll encounter several options such as My Files, New Folder, and New File, to name a few. These options help you manage your files easily by allowing you to create new folders, files, and even view deleted files in the trash bin. In the center of the interface, you'll find the File Management area. Here is where the magic happens, displaying all your current directory's files and folders. You simply need to right-click on any of these files or folders to efficiently rename, copy, move, delete, and carry out more operations. The breadcrumb navigation at the top assists in swiftly jumping to other directories. Finally, let's focus on how to edit your files. Hostinger's File Manager comes equipped with a robust text editor. This feature is excellent for making quick, direct changes to files without needing to download them first. It saves time and reduces the hassle. Moreover, it includes a syntax highlighter, which makes coding simpler and less error-prone, benefiting seasoned developers and beginners alike. And there you have it, you're all set to upload and manage your HTML website files on Hostinger using these straightforward steps. Happy hosting!